To be awarded the Distinguished Manufacturing Alumni Award is quite a surreal experience. I'm really staggered that I've won it. I'm hugely honoured that I've won it.
Being awarded the Excellent Achievement Award of recent graduates of Cranfield, first of all, it's a real honour and I'm pleased. But what is more important, that means that knowledge which I got at Cranfield 8 years ago were accurate and I was on the right career path.
Above all, it's really all the people that have been on the journey with me through life who've got me here.
This is very important recognition which makes further guidelines to the future.